Now here we have question number 5. Question number 5 says, in a class of 21 students, there are 10 violinists, 6 guitarists, and 5 pianists. A group of 7 is to be chosen from these 21 students. The group will consist of 4 violinists, 2 guitarists, and 1 pianist. In how many ways can the group of 7 be chosen? Now see, in a group I want 4 violinists. Now there are total 10 violinists. Now out of 10 violinists, I can choose 4 violinists in 10C4 way. After choosing violinist, I will choose guitarist. So there are 6 guitarists. Out of 6 guitarists, I have to choose 2 guitarists. That can be done in 6C2 way. And finally, out of 5 pianists, I have to choose 1 pianist. That can be done in 5C1 way. So the total number of way in which I will choose 10 guitarists, I will choose 4 guitarists, 4 violinists, and 2 guitarists, that is 6C2 and 5C1, that is 5 pianist. So total number of ways I can choose a group of 7 will be 15,750. So 15,750 is your answer for part A. Now let us move to part B. On another occasion, a group of 5 will be chosen from the 21 students. The group must contain at least 2 violinists, at least 1 guitarist, and at most 1 pianist. So now my selection of 5 will include 2 violinists. So I have 2 violinists, at least 2 violinists, at least 1 guitarist. So let us first start with considering at least 1 guitarist, 2 violinists, and at most 1 pianist. So your pianist could be 0. There is no pianist. Better to represent this situation is I will say that VGP format. So instead of writing this, let us make a column where I have V, violinist, and then guitarist, and then pianist. Now pianist, we have at most 1. That means there is a possibility of 0 pianist as well. So when there is 0 pianist, this 5 element I have to arrange from violinist and guitarist. So violinist, it may possible that I will choose 4 violinists and 1 guitarist, or I can have 3 violinists and 2 guitarists. Obviously the pianist is 0. Or I have guitarist. If total number of guitarists we see, there is 6 guitarists and 10 violinists. So I have sufficient number. So now the third case will be, I will choose 2 violinists, at least 2 violinists to 2 violinists, and I will choose 3 guitarists. Pianist will be 0. Okay. Next, I have 1 pianist. So in that case, violinist could be 3, guitarist could be 1, at least 1 guitarist should be there. Or here we have 2 violinists and 2 guitarists and 1 pianist. So these are 5 scenarios in which I can choose the required persons, I will say that. Okay, required group. Okay, now when I'm choosing 4 violinists, so total number of violinists is 10. So out of 10 I'm choosing, okay, here the total number of violinists is 10. Total number of guitarists, if I see, 6, and here it is 5. So 10, 6 and 5, these are the total numbers. Okay, these are total numbers. Now out of 10 I'm choosing 4 violinists, and then out of 6 I'm choosing 1 guitarist, and I'm not choosing any pianist. Fine. Second, out of 10 I'm choosing 3. Then out of 6 I'm choosing 2. Next, out of 10 I'm choosing 2, and out of 6 I'm choosing 3. Here out of 10 I'm choosing 3, and out of 6 I'm choosing 1, and out of 5 I'm choosing 1. Then out of 10 I'm choosing 2. Out of 6 out of 6 I'm choosing 2, and out of 5 I'm choosing 1. Okay, now let us find the total number. So 10C4 times 6C1, that is 6, it is 1260. So here first I have 1260. Then 10C3 times 6C2. So here I have 1800. Next I have 10C2 times 6C3, so that is 900. Next I have 10C3 times 6C1 times 5C1. So here I have 3600, and finally I have 10C2 times 6C2 times 5C1. So total here I have 3375. 3375. Okay, now total number, if I see, it is 1260 plus 1800 plus 900 plus 3600 plus 3375. So total is 10,935. Okay, now let us read the question again. In how many ways can a group of 5 be chosen? So a group of 5 be chosen in total. We have 3, 3, 7, 5 ways. Okay, so here we have two part. In first part, how many ways can the group of 7 be chosen was the question, and in second case they have given certain conditions, like there should be at least 2 violinists, at least 1 guitarist, and at most 1 pianist. So according to these conditions, we figured out that what different arrangements could be, what different ways I can select them.